Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Clarendon and we are in the toll gate area. And now we're going to look at probably the most popular location in toll gate, which is the Juicy Patties head office. Now right here they have like a meat section where they sell meat, but straight ahead now is where they have probably their largest patty location. But here on the where we're just going to look at quickly, this entrance is to the facility where they make the patties. So this is their head office. This is where they make the patties and then distribute them throughout the island. And then over here is their largest store in Jamaica. It's right next to their head office where they sell the patties. So it's a huge facility. And it's in Tollgate, right next. This is actually very close to the border with Manchester. Okay, now this is a small plaza separate from the Juicy Patties. There's a gas station and a lot of stores. Okay, and clearly this plaza is not following the formula that we keep talking about, but nonetheless it's there. It doesn't look very popular. It has no supermarket, has no fast food restaurants. Wow, look at how these cars are driving, my gosh. And it wasn't built in a very populated area, so you see the plaza wasn't very busy, a lot of empty stores. So the formula for a successful plaza: put a major chain supermarket in it, or a supermarket that's large and has one of those nice big supermarkets. 2, you're going to need restaurants, fast food restaurants. 3, you're going to need to build it in a location that has a large population. Alright, so now we're on the main road heading towards Porus. We just went through Tollgate and looked at the Juicy Patties location. So we're now heading into Manchester and we're going to go through Porus. Porus is a small town on the outskirts of Mandeville. It's small, like a district. After we leave Maypen, there is no other major town, basically, just small districts. The next major town on the drive would be Mandeville, which is even larger than Maypen. This area is very famous for these fruit vendors that sell their goods on the side of the road. And you get everything from oranges to tangerine to grapefruits. This is a main road, and you see the state of the roads. This is just like unacceptable. It don't have to be a perfect road, but you're not supposed to have potholes like this on a main road. Look at this. This is a main road between two of the largest towns in Jamaica. A main road. And look at the state of the road. Oh man, whoever is responsible for this road, whether it's a parish, this must be the government, because this is a main road. They really need to do a better job with these roads. This is a main road. It's a disgrace, man. And it's not to say it's one of the smaller or less significant parishes. This is Clarendon, Manchester, two of the largest parishes in Jamaica. They have some of the largest populations outside of Portmore, Spanish Town and Kingston.